Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add the developer tab in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So by default this developer tab is not here, okay? So you have to basically enable this. So for this you will tap on this file option here, and then here basically you will tap on this options here, and then click on customize ribbon, and here you can see that we have main tabs here, okay? So these are the tabs that we have showed here. So here you can see we have this developer tab as well. So by default this is unchecked like this one, so you have to check this and then you will press ok, and when you press ok you will see that here you will get a developer tab. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.